Magic mushroom.
Yeah, eat it. So here's the recap for the day. We had plans to go to one farm, but couldn't get there today, so...
Well, there are 2 panthers down there, but I don't see any... Wait a minute.
Yeah, I do so.
Plan B, we went back to the swimming hole, cellar hole.
Yeah.
Found a few things, just killing time until we came up with another plan, so...
Yeah.
Here's what we did there.
Yeah, boy.
Oh, there's a nice bridle piece. A little bit banged up, but that's cool. I'm actually in the footprint of the barn, or relatively close to it. What you got?
I don't know.
Oh, brass buckle.
Yeah. Honking big brass buckle.
Oh yeah, that's nicer than the usual, you know.
Yeah, that's a dandy.
See, I'd rather do this than be at the beach and get 15 bucks in Clad.
Yeah.
We were at Hampton Beach, and then we were in Newburyport, and we did a park.
Wow, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, this is where it's at.
Yeah.
Stuff like this.
Nice.
So I had to go and refuel. We ate some Sasquatch that we bagged earlier this spring. Out west, you see them every so often. People freak out, but best world kept secret is we got Sasquatch coming out of our ears up here.
Good eating.
Oh yeah, we got this one during mating season, but he was just looking to get some, and boom. So refueled and came over here and must have found a metal dump, I guess. Got this old bean pot that kind of probably broke on him. Found one of the legs so far out of 3. Cooked a lot of beans in there, I bet, eh? Suspension probably off the seat of a wagon. Favorite of mine, a big old hunk of barbed wire.
Cool.
Well, at least we know one thing's for sure. We had a bunch of bean-eating leprechauns around here.
That was all right. I found the other half of that locket, which was crazy.
Unbelievable. Yeah.
And that bridle ornament. So then Keebler got us on to a new place that's basically it's an old farm turned into a private school. The interesting thing about that was we were looking for old stuff, but there was so much Clad, which I usually won't sit and dig Clad. It was fun. It just didn't stop.
Quarter after quarter, multiple quarters in pockets.
We'll give it a recap. Watch the footage.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh boy. I should have made the hole bigger. Well, see if we can figure out what that is. It's down there 5 inches. Another nickel. 52, 4. Wait, 45.
45 nickel?
Yeah. Silver.
Really?
Yeah. Silver nickel.
Nice.
All right, 1945p. Nice.
There's more?
Yeah, but really tough to get to it.
Every hole literally has had multiple coins in it.
Haven't seen one of these in a while. Toll tokens of New Hampshire. There's the old man of the mountain.
Oh yeah, nice. That's different.
Yeah, yeah. Don't even know when 15 years ago maybe they stopped using them.
Okay, so I've been digging for hours.
Hours.
And I finally got a piece of treasure. I got me a silver coin. You ready to see how many holes I dug to get to that? You ready, Keeb?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Wow.
That's the way to do it, Charlie.
$10.83.
$10.83.
Not including the $10.93.
93, including the silver dime.
Right.
Memorials. $2.50 in regular Clad quarters. A couple of those. Copper washer. Hot rock. Boy, oh boy, did that ring up good. That token. New Hampshire. Silver nickel. Bunch of Wheaties. And that's a Indian head from a few hunts back. Just wanted to show it. Drop that in, I said formaldehyde, but it's actually peroxide. And it turned it like a white. So I'm going to have to hit it up again with something else. All right, well, the best thing is we both found silver today.
Finally, at the end of the day, literally.
Yeah.
There were some holes that had, one had 6 coins and he found one that had like 9 coins in it. I found a Canadian spill. Bizarre, absolutely bizarre. So just a quick vid because we spent more time not digging cool enough things to film, but we had a blast doing it. So stay young, always keep them guessing. Bye. Adios.
We love using Clad for coffee. So, Dunkin' Donuts #1.
Sorry about the money. We had a little fire, so the money, so
it's all good.
I know this is weird, but the change looks funny. My grandmother gave it to me, and it was in her pocket for a long time. She's weird like that.
Are you getting rid of the evidence, the prints?
Yeah. Window from the State House.
Right.
Happy Meal. Happy Meal. Happy Meal. Magic mushroom. It's ready.
Nice.